I have discovered a legit way to make money using crypto, and I'm going to share that with you in this video today. I know the wave of crypto has been misused by so many out here, using that name to manipulate innocent investors by activating their greed through promises of getting a lot of money in return over a short period of time. Are you one of those people that have been swindled, by the way? Or if you know someone that has been swindled, you can let me know in the comment section below so that to chanwane about this situation. But did you know that so many people are making an income using crypto out here? Imagine, it is quickly gaining popularity even in Kenya, and that's why Wakora and conmen have taken the most advantage and scammed so many who are out here eager to make some money online. And because of that, it is very difficult now to convince some people that there's a good side to crypto. I have been studying crypto for a while, and I finally opened an account to get a feel at exactly what it is like to be in crypto before I share it with my audience. I have had a chance to test out different ways that you can actually use to make money, and over the next few couple of weeks I'll be sharing videos of what I've learned. So let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to give you some of this information from the beginner's point of view. But in the meantime, I want to share with you today 3 specific ways that someone can genuinely make money with crypto. So after doing some research here and there, I settled for a company that could give me the option to make money, because I didn't just want a place where I could put my money in and I only have one option, which is just to deposit and wait for the market forces to decide whether nitakuwa profitable or not. So before I tell you the company I settled for, let's first look at these ways that someone can legitimately make money using crypto. So the first way is through investing. This is where you deposit your money by buying crypto of your choice, and just like buying kaploti or land or property, whatever it is. This one as well, you buy your crypto and then you speculate, or in other words, you buy and wait for the value to appreciate. There are several types of cryptocurrency, by the way, which are available currently, and some of the most common ones are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So take for example, back in 2009, the Bitcoin was valued at $0.0009 according to the Forbes, which is about 11 cents Kenya shillings. And right now, one Bitcoin is trading slightly at above 66,000 USD as at the time of publishing this video, which is equivalent to about 8.5 million Kenya shillings. Can you imagine that? The growth has been exponential over the years. Remember, just the other day, ilikuwa 2009, this is the part where they have been made so many crypto millionaires by putting their money in and the value growing over time, giving them the opportunity, because some of them bought it ikikuwa a couple of $100 and some bought it ikiwa a couple of $1,000, and right now at 66,000 for one Bitcoin. So if one Bitcoin at that particular point was being sold for $1 and you bought 1,000 of the same, you can only imagine your worth right now when the same Bitcoin is going for over 66,000 USD. Right now, you can only be able to buy a portion of the Bitcoin, because you see again, price imepanda sana for you to be able to afford a full crypto. But still, there's speculation that prices will still keep soaring. Alafu, there are also other alternatives which are slightly cheaper, alternatives of the Bitcoin, but I will talk about that more later to help you understand. The fact here is that you get to buy low and sell when the prices are high, so that you can enjoy the capital gains, and that is the first way that you can make money using crypto. But please stay put for the very important things that you will need to know after I mention the second and the third way for you to make money with crypto. So now the second way to make money in crypto is through trading. This is more like doing the forex trading, so binary trading. It is also a skill that is very volatile but has potential to make you money. The beauty of this is that you can actually make money when the market is going up or when the markets are going down. And therefore, just like forex, there are some basic information that you need to learn, and it is a skill, but it is extremely high risk. You need to know that. So when you invest only what you're willing to lose. For those that are already doing forex trading and binary trading, this is an opportunity that I think that you can also jump on, considering that the crypto is more volatile. We all know that in trading, money is in the volatility. The third way that you can make money is through something known as peer-to-peer trading, P2P. This is one of the ways that I've figured out so many Africans and actually so many Kenyans are currently making money with this option, and it is the least risky one. This is actually one of the ways that I personally intend to make money during my free time. I know I have some good appetite for risk, that I can actually put some money and have it invested, or when I have free time I can actually do some trading here and there, but I know for sure I'll be doing P2P. And this is because P2P is simply buying and selling different types of crypto from people who are selling their own or want to turn their hard currency into crypto. This one behaves more like buying and selling shares, whereby you buy at a lower price and then you sell it at a slightly higher price to make a profit. With this one, you're operating under a very low risk environment compared to the other two ways of making money, although it has its own element of risk. But this platform that I'm going to share with you gives you a way to manage this risk. If you're interested in learning more about all these three means, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I will be doing follow-up videos for the same, and also I'll be sharing my personal journey through this crypto path. I also promised I was going to share the name of the company that I opened my account and started exploring this crypto world, and that company is known as ByBit. ByBit offers a variety of services for cryptocurrency traders, including spot trading, derivatives trading, a one-click buy option, peer-to-peer, that is the P2P trading, and access to crypto savings. And for you to be able to learn more, I will leave a link on the description below where you can open an account and explore further to get to learn more about this crypto. They have very valuable and beginner-friendly materials that you can get to learn from. Crypto is very volatile. That is number one. Prices in crypto are one day up there and soaring, and the next day coming down. So the capital that you invest, be sure it is something that you're ready to gain from, or you are okay losing. Second, it's not a bank, it is high risk. Yes, as much as you can do it savings or investing right there, it comes with the risk, but where there's high risk, there's also a good possible high return. So ensure that you understand very well what you're getting yourself into. Third, and I think the most important point, hata ukisahau hizo zingine zote, do not let someone come to your inbox or advise and tell you that they can actually trade on your behalf. Listen and listen very well. Do not allow someone to tell you that you give them this amount of money. That is the best way to spot a scam. Nobody is a genius in this field. You can only learn from other people's experiences and from the basic information that is available both online and in such platforms such as ByBit. No one should tell you that you should give me this amount and I will bring you amount X after a certain number of days. And last but not least, in such platforms such as ByBit, they will give you information and training for free. And there are several other free classes that you can find on YouTube. So please be careful not to be in a rush to pay someone to teach you this, because most of the people that are telling you these are liars. And the same applies to the forex or binary trading. They will show you clips of where they are winning and making money, but they won't tell you the places where they are losing. And they will show you money in their M-Pesa or accounts and withdrawing, but what they will not tell you is that their main source of income is not trading or investing, but it is those classes where you send them 3,000, 2,000, so you what? Imagine 100 people sending someone 30,000 for training. How much money is that? So in crypto, take time to learn. Make sure to start small. Even if things are looking good, make sure that you take time to practice and practice very, very well. Whatever you do, be safe. Good investments take time and patience. Do not be fooled with greed that you can become an overnight millionaire. If that happens, God bless you, but do not lose your money trying to catch a quick break. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. God bless you.